folks, some people probably wonder what this is on my tank. This is a small tank bag from a company called Rafa. So you just kind of brace it to your handlebar. And there's also a third string that keeps it from flapping around and moving around. So there's 3 points of contact here. It has 2 pockets, or larger pockets, which you can use with gloves on as well. Very durable pockets. Everything is pretty much sealed. And an outside pocket. Right now I just have a couple of things in there. I have the plug adapter for the power, and a Leatherman. But I plan to put a few things in there, such as my Easy Pass, maybe some ID, maybe a little bit of cash. It also has, for you fanny pack guys, also has, a string that you could put around you. You could put it on your body and take it with you if you need to. Really quickly, just undo the Velcro, and it's off. So just something from Rafa that I think translates from the road bike to my motorcycle. For those of you that ride a road bike or even a mountain bike, they do make trail stuff as well. So just something to consider as you're looking for different things. I wasn't looking to go buy the Moscow Moto bag because I normally keep things in my body or my bags. But for something I need a quick reach to, I think this will do for now. I may consider the Moscow Moto bag, but for now, this works for me. And if anyone is looking for a small addition to their handlebar, this might be something you take a look at. This is Ride to the Sun. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you.